ये वीडियो में मैंने पूरा इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन दिखाया है ह्यूमन हार्ट का वर्किंग कैसे होता है। ओके, तो दैट विल बी मोर यूजफुल फॉर द कॉमन मास फॉर योर जनरल अवेयरनेस। और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है, आखिर तक देखिएगा क्योंकि इसमें हर कोई जानकारी दी है जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और you will be able to write the decent answers for the competitive examinations. This video will be more beneficial for the students and the candidates. इस वीडियो के अंत में मैंने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जानकारी दी है, some amazing facts of a heart. So देखिएगा, जानिएगा and you will be surprised कि आपका हार्ट कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है और कितना एक यूनिक ऑर्गन है हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी का। तो ये जानना हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि हमारा हार्ट क्या है। तो पूरा वीडियो देखिएगा ताकि आपको पता चले कि हमारा हार्ट एक्चुअल क्या है, जो चीज़ हम आसानी से लेते हैं वो कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो देखते रहिए वीडियो ह्यूमन हार्ट और डो नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक। तो लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा, वीडियो बहुत बेहतरीन है, पूरा देखिएगा। So we'll see in detail about the human heart. Okay, तो चलिए हार्ट के सफर में। Human heart is made up of cardiac muscles. Okay, that muscles are different from other muscles. The heart muscles are cardiac muscles and we'll see in detail. देखते रहिएगा कि cardiac muscles के बारे में भी थोड़ी जानकारी दूंगा। Okay, main role of heart is to transport the blood throughout our body. Okay. The circulatory system, heart works as a pump, so it circulates the blood. And via blood, what does the heart do? Heart transports oxygen and nutrients to the different cells of our body, and it also carries the carbon dioxide and waste products. Okay, so that dual role is there. Okay, now we'll see in some detail. What is the size of heart? You might be surprised. What is the size of heart? It is just a size of a fist of a human. Okay, this is smaller organ, but so large work the heart does. Okay, now what is the weight? Heart just weighs 280 grams to 340 grams. So light, just a weight of a mobile phone. But there is some variation. In male, okay, the heart weighs 280 grams to 340 grams, but in female, the heart weighs 230 grams to 280 grams. So male heart is a somewhat stronger. After all, हमें तो दिल बड़ा रखना ही पड़ता है ना, so no problem. We'll keep our heart big. Now, human heart is having the 4 chambers. Fish is having the 2-chamber heart. Reptiles are having the 3-chamber heart, but humans are having the 4-chamber heart. Okay, so we are having the 4 parts: left heart, right heart. Okay, then the upper part is the atrium, 2 atriums, upper part. Lower part is the 2 ventricles. Okay, now see, our left is a heart right, our right is a heart left, just for the study purpose. Okay, otherwise left right confusion is not there. The right portion of the heart carries the deoxygenated blood, means that blood is oxygen deficient, and left portion of the heart is carrying the oxygenated blood. Okay, this is a small difference. Now the left portion and the right portion both are separated by the muscular wall, that is a septum. So this is just a basic structure. Now we will see the different parts of a heart. So the first portion we'll see is the valves. You might be seeing the valves in a water pipe. The water flows and the wall is there. You can open, you can close manually. But in heart, to prevent the backflow of the blood, the valves are there which are auto prevented. Means their structure is such a way that it prevents the backflow. How? See, this is suppose a membrane of a valve. Okay. Now what happens when the blood flows? So this way it opens. When blood try to flow back, what happens? It just like closes. Okay, it opens and closes. So it prevents the backflow. Okay. Now we'll see about the valves. So human heart is having the 4 valves. Okay, we see that the heart valves prevent backflow. So unidirectional movement of blood is there only because of valves. Okay, valves are made up of membranes and which are attached to the walls of a heart. Okay? So sometimes you see the beating sound of heart. Opening and closing of a valve. Okay, valve opens and closes. So due to that, the sound of heartbeat comes. Okay, our heart beats 1 lakh times a day. Surprising, but 1 lakh times a day. Okay, it is just due to opening and closing of valve. Now we will see the 4 valves. Okay, tricuspid valve. It prevents the backflow of blood from right ventricle to right atrium. Okay. Now pulmonary valve, it prevents the backflow of blood from pulmonary veins to right ventricle. Okay, pulmonary veins to right ventricle. Now the third valve is a mitral valve. It prevents the backflow of blood from left ventricle to left atrium. And aortic valve, the fourth one, which prevents backflow of blood from aorta to left ventricle. So that you need to remember. So which unidirectional movement is there in each and every valve. Okay. So these are the 4 valves of a heart, in which other parts that we are going to study. First one is the vena cava. See the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. There are the 2 separation. The superior vena cava, which carries the deoxygenated blood, okay, from the upper portion of our body. And inferior vena cava, it carries the deoxygenated blood to the heart from bottom part of our body. Okay, superior vena cava upper part and lower part from inferior vena cava. Okay, then aorta, which carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to different parts of our body. Okay, this is a aorta. Then pulmonary veins. Normally in our human body, veins carry deoxygenated blood and arteries carry oxygenated blood. But in pulmonary veins, the blood is oxygenated, and in pulmonary arteries, the blood is deoxygenated. So what happens? From the right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood flow via pulmonary arteries to the lungs, and from the lungs it gets oxygenated, and via pulmonary veins it comes to the left atrium. So this is the role of pulmonary veins and arteries. Now we see the blood flows due to the pumping of heart. So when the blood flows in the arteries, there is a pressure in the wall of the arteries. So there are 2 types of pressure, systolic and diastolic. When the ventricles contract, so it pushes the blood with a high pressure. So it's a systolic pressure. And diastolic pressure when the ventricle expands or ventricle takes a normal position. We can say that ventricle relaxes. It's a diastolic pressure. Okay, the systolic, diastolic are the 2 types of pressure that we see in our normal blood pressure. Okay, now we'll see that how blood flows in a human body. Okay, so there are 2 types of circuits. One is a pulmonary circuit and another is a systematic circuit. In a pulmonary circuit, what happens? The blood circulates between the heart and lungs. Deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs and oxygenated blood comes to the heart. So this is a pulmonary circuit. Okay, the second circuit is a systematic circuit, in which oxygenated blood flows from the heart to the whole body, and deoxygenated blood comes back to the heart. So this is a systematic circuit. Now we will see in detail how the blood flows step by step in each and every part of our heart. So first portion is a collection of deoxygenated blood from whole body, and it comes to the superior vena cava and inferior vena. So we can say that from the vena cava, blood comes to the heart. So where does it reach? It reaches the right atrium. Okay, and then from the right atrium, it comes to the right ventricle via tricuspid valve. So tricuspid valve prevents the backflow. Now the blood is deoxygenated, and we want the blood to be oxygenated. So where does it go? It goes from the right ventricles to the lungs via pulmonary arteries. So it flows from the right ventricle to the pulmonary valve. Valve is also important, so don't forget. So from the right ventricles to the pulmonary valve to the pulmonary artery, then to the lungs. In lungs, it gets oxygenated. Oxygen enters from the lungs to the blood, and carbon dioxide is removed. Okay. Now then this oxygenated blood comes via pulmonary veins to the heart. Where does it come? It comes to the left atrium. Then after, from the left atrium, it flows to the left ventricle via mitral valve. Okay. From there, it comes to the aorta, through the aorta valve. Okay, and this oxygenated blood flows to the whole body. Heart also needs oxygen. After all, heart is an organ of our body. So heart is made up of cardiac muscles, we know. Okay, so coronary artery is a artery which supplies the oxygen to the heart. Coronary artery. Okay, so it carries the oxygenated blood to the heart. So muscles of the heart get oxygen from the coronary artery. Now another thing comes. The heart pumps. Okay, so its muscles contract, expand. So how does it happen? So heart is having the electric pacemaker cells. Okay, so pacemaker cells contract and expand, and it makes the beating of heart. So beating of heart is there. So we'll see step by step, sequence by sequence, what happens when heart beats. Okay, so sequence of beating. So first we'll see the normal position when the heart relaxes. It's the early diastole. Then atrium contracts. Okay, so atrial systole. Then ventricle contracts. So ventricle contracts. Then comes ventricle relax. Relax means it comes in a normal position. Okay, so this cycle repeated again and again, and blood flows step by step. तो है ना कितना अमेजिंग ऑर्गन ये ह्यूमन हार्ट, बहुत अमेजिंग है. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हमारा हार्ट इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वैसे अक्सर दिल की बातें बहुत होती है, दिल की बीमारी होती है, दो टाइप की दिल की बीमारी होती है, तो छोड़िए. लेकिन वी सी दैट हार्ट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन. इट्स अ वेरी अमेजिंग. You see certain facts and you can see that it's a really amazing organ. Okay, so we'll see some certain facts which create you surprise. Heart beats 1 lakh times in a day. 1 lakh times in a day. Okay, so in our human lifetime, 3 billion times heart beats. 3 billion times. है ना सरप्राइजिंग. संभल के रखिएगा हार्ट को, सच में. वी सी आवर ह्यूमन हार्ट बीट्स 72 टाइम्स इन 1 मिनट. सो वी कैन नॉर्मली से दैट 60 to 80 टाइम्स इन 1 मिनट. ओके, सो वी कैन सी द pulse, okay, by watching the clock and see that how many times it beats. It need not to be 72 all the time. Okay, it sometimes when we are running, so it beats fast. When we are relaxed, it beats slow. Okay, but one thing, that when there is a newborn baby, okay, the heart beats very fast in a newborn baby. You are surprised, but this is a fact. न्यूबॉर्न बेबी का हार्ट थोड़ा हमसे ज्यादा तेज चलता है. ओके, 100 to 110 बीट्स पर मिनट भी जा सकता है. ओके, समटाइम्स यू माइट सी द डॉग्स का बीटिंग भी हमसे ज्यादा फास्ट है. So newborn baby needs more oxygen. Okay, so heart beats fast. जैसे उम्र जाती है heart beats slow. धीरे 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 heart beats slow. पेसमेकर की जरूरत पड़ती है, पता नहीं क्या क्या चीज की जरूरत पड़ती है, दिमाग की टेंशन, और हमारा हार्ट हम प्रेशर डालते जाते, लेकिन छोड़िए. द हार्ट ट्रांसपोर्ट्स or we can say circulates the 5.7 liter of blood throughout our body. So this much of blood is transported again and again by the heart. Okay? एक चीज तो रही है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, हमारा हार्ट कहाँ पे है? ओके, यहाँ पे बोल दिया, लेकिन वेयर एग्जैक्टली? इट इज इन अ चेस्ट, लिटिल बिट लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, तो हमारा दिल कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है या कहाँ और? नहीं, हार्ट यहाँ पे. ओके, ऑलवेज कीप द हार्ट ओवर हियर.